Okay, but don't forget to let me know when you're ready to leave. What a
Uncle
mighty
John left
horse!
3 years ago,
I
and
want
now
one
I'm
too.
almost as tall as he
Big
was.
one with
Next
a
time we meet,
mighty name.
he won't be able to knock.
Are you heading back to Heaven's Pier now? Then don't forget to tell my dad I'm going home with Uncle Guang. What a mighty horse! I want one too! A big one with a mighty name.
Sir, what exactly is the first jar? Well, let me explain. Every year during the Pear Blossom season, Madame Han of Blissful Retreat hosts the first jar banquet. And you lucky lot are just in time.
Young master, did you actually sneak out to get here? Is Madame Han still keeping you on a tight leash?
No, it's just been years since I've left Heaven's Pier. I really needed a change of scenery. But please, not a word of this to Aunt Han, or I'm sure she'd get mad.
Master Zhong's been gone these 3 years without a word. It's only natural that Madame Han worries about you too. The Zhonghu is too far removed from us. Still no word about Master Zhong this year either. I'm sorry. Here's Master Zhong's book back. I asked around everywhere, but no one could make sense of what's written inside. You go have a stroll. I'm going to check on my goods.
Sir, what exactly is the first jar banquet? Well, let me explain. Every year during the Pear Blossom season,
Beginning. My teacher assigned goose egg drawing homework. Process. Beginning. My teacher assigned goose egg drawing homework. Process. Big goose chased me. Result. Lost my backpack and homework. Lesson learned. Never picking up goose eggs again.
Aunt Han hosts the banquet every year, but this is the first time she's been so mysterious about it. Jiang-ho? Uncle Jiang? Is it about my real family? Ah, no. An announcement at the first jar banquet should concern everyone, right? When I see Aunt Han later, should I tell her that Uncle Jiang came to visit me? Never mind. Might as well tell her I rode home on a goose.
Young master! Absolutely. Drinking parting tears during the Drunken Immortal Month is one of Qinghe's greatest events, though the roads are particularly dangerous this year. Coming through the southern mountain ridge, I encountered a strange group of people who didn't look like bandits, yet they blocked the road and stopped anyone from passing through.
Fresh cooked stew meat with rice. Guaranteed.
A bowl of honey pear balls to wash away the day's troubles.
Our brewing's the best! Yo-ho!
Well, well!
Young master!
A bit to the right. Yep, there. That'll do.
Uncle Joe, setting up the tent early, I see.
Too many visitors for Drunken Immortal Month this year. Gotta get the tents up quick before the sun rises and a crowd forms. By the way, where's Ruby? Did she drag you off somewhere again?
Nothing gets by you. She's with Beard Guang's caravan. They'll be here soon.
So, Beard Guang's come again this year. And what did Ruby buy from him?
Nothing really. We just happened to pass by and took a look.
She's always running off looking for heroes. Won't even come home to eat. I give up on her. Madame Han was looking for you just now. Better hurry back, or she'll have you kneeling in a corner again. Madame Han's taken this first jar banquet very seriously. She has something important to announce. We can't slack off.
This year's Drunken Immortal Month is quite lively. Has...
Young wanderer, I have something valuable here. Look!
Where does Aunt Han get the money to host the first jar banquet? I've never seen her flaunt any wealth before. Killer Blade has slipped into Qinghe too. The first jar banquet this year won't be peaceful. Aunt Han isn't waiting for me at the door like she usually is. Whatever big news there is can wait. I need to find a way to calm her down first.
Dismount and join us! The Drunken Immortal Month celebrations await! Come taste parting tears during the Drunken Immortal Month. How many in your party, honored guests?
Master, you're back?
Miss Han, more wine!
What about my food, Miss Han? Is it ready?
What is with this Miss Han? It's madam to you. Get me this, get me that. Go to the kitchen and get it yourselves.
This year's Drunken Immortal Month just only started, and the madam's already fuming. That boy of yours has got you mad again, hasn't he? Well, speak of the devil.
My, would you look at who the wind finally blew back home.
Let's calm down first, Aunt Han. Being angry will give you wrinkles. I know. I should have come back earlier. But it really wasn't my fault. I was ambushed by a bandit in black at Uncle Jiang's hut.
A bandit in black? Are you hurt?
No, I wasn't hurt. It was just that the bandit was skilled, and my pendant was stolen. His swordplay was fierce and swift, always shifting and changing. He was like a raging storm, brought down an entire bamboo grove. If only I could go to the Jianghu and learn martial arts, I'd be able to take him for sure.
Jianghu. All you ever talk about is the Jianghu. Yammering about it for a decade. You trying to drive me crazy?
Aunt Han, why won't you let me go to the Jianghu? Not a word from Uncle Jiang. Doesn't that worry you? Whoever took the pendant might be connected to him. He even left a mark on the cabin. Kind of like a flaming lung pattern.
And what of it? After all, you are certainly not leaving Heaven's Pier. There are a lot of strangers in town lately. Do not stir up trouble.
Hey, madam! Bring the wine, eh?
Are you just going to stand there? Go bring those tables their wine.
Aunt Han, what's the big news you're going to announce at the banquet? Aunt Han. Fine, keep your secrets. Aunt Han, what's the big news you're going to announce at the banquet? Aunt Han.
I tell ya, no one's wine is better than Blissful Retreats. I'll be here for Drunken Immortal Month, drinking from the first day to the last. I'll stay as long as I can. What with the roads being so dangerous this year, they make me a nervous wreck.
You southern road merchants don't know how good you got it. Try going north to Yan'an. At best, you lose your money. At worst, your life.
Southern Road? Which Southern Road? Have you been to Weiyang City?
Well, young master, hello there. I'm heading east, passing right through Weiyang City. Is Blissful Retreat looking to do business there too?
Business? No, I've just never been there. Curious, that's all.
Well, I'm not much of a talker, but people say Weiyang makes the world prosper. In Weiyang City, I saw shops filled with exotic goods, and tea houses and taverns full of people decked in silks and pearls. It's truly a place of silk, flowers, and honey. On the water platforms at street corners, they even offer dried fruits, fresh fruits, salted sours, and preserves. All changed daily and never a one missing. And it's all free.
Free? Who pays for those fruits? Surely not every household in the city can afford such generosity.
Have you forgotten who owns Weiyang City?
Ah, you mean Master Wen?
Exactly. Master Wen. His Weiyang City stands on water. Decorated doors, gates, towers, and pavilions, all rising from vast waves. Blue skies and distant waters as far as the eye can see. Such is the majesty of the foremost of the four.
Since when did the four get ranked? Merchant fools only smell money.
I don't care what the Zhanghu says. That's how we see it. Last year at Weiyang City's Water Festival, a woman stole a golden cup from Master Wen's banquet and wouldn't let go. She told Master Wen she sneaked out to see the Ember of East. Now that she had, she needed proof or her husband would beat her. And guess what happened?
No need to guess. Just tell him.
Master Wen had all the golden cups from the banquet thrown into the water for people to take. Such a generous and righteous. So
you'd have to take that up with. You came on the northern road, sir. Then, do you know what Yan'an is like now?
We all know how cruel the Khitan are. 2 years ago, the late Emperor... his march to the north. I saw those troops by the Yellow River. So strong, so fierce. Who knew the commander would die, leaving the army with a bunch of fools? Good thing the Northern Vow kept Wang Qing's spirit and fought to the death, or none of us would be here.
the march to the north. Ha! 2 years ago, the people of Yan'an sent all the supplies they had to the battlefield. And, well, for decades, it's been one war after another on account of this dynasty or that official. Yan'an's drained dry. Been ages since we've seen anyone take the road to Yan'an. If we stand together and keep the faith, Yan'an...
Zhanghu want?
True. I mean, you...
What's Killer Blade?
Over 10 years, they used poles. Later...
Huh?
That head was... At first, no one in the Zhanghu knew who had done it. Before leaving...
We've heard of Killer Blade too. As for the 12, they aren't that famous.
Were they in league together?
The 12 Calamities is old news. That's why you don't know. 12 people, all related, who just killed, robbed, and kidnapped. Killer Blade has his temper. Cross him, and you're dead. But he keeps his word. His parents died keeping a promise. So, you see, it's his family code. Well, that's why, after getting involved with the 12 Calamities, he was always bending over back. The 12 weren't happy about this. And Killer Blade...
Wine? Wait. Why 11?
To tell you that, I'd have to tell you about that blade of his. Oh, wine's gone.
Here. This runs on me, sir.
Oh, so you're interested too, young master. At first, Killer Blade was the name of his purple gold blade. It was a gift. Because of that.
So Jung had the advantage.
Nonsense, but luck can change.
You're a Jung-Hoo wonder.
That's right.
Ah.
Young master, there's a guest in the side room. Go see to them for me, eh?
Not words of love nor wine's relief can stay the sting of parting's grief. So this is parting tears?
It seems you know your wine. If you drink the parting tears of heaven's pier, it brings to mind the one you missed most in this life.
Huh? The one I miss most? Then tell me this. Does hatred count as missing someone?
Well, missing someone means you're thinking about them. And love and hate both fit that bill, right?
How interesting. If I can't taste wine this good again next year, that'd be a real shame.
If you like it, come back next year when the pear blossoms bloom.
Huh? Now that I look at you, you're quite lovely. I just wonder if that perky little nose has ever caught the scent of a swordsman. The scent of a filthy man.
What are you standing there for? Already this hour and the serving dishes have yet to arrive. Go to the kiln and look into it.
Right.
Madam, your face seems familiar. Have... we met before? Consider it a reunion of old friends. Share a drink with me, won't you? I heard this place is called Blissful Retreat. Is that a reference to bliss?
More like a blissful reunion. Why are you looking at me like that?
A reunion.
What to do? What to do? So many fine porcelain pieces broken. Madame Han will kill me. Oh no, no, no! Oh my, young master!
Things really got smashed to pieces here. Tell me what happened.
There are so many visitors for Drunken Immortal Month, and things were quiet here at the kiln, so I went for a duel with someone. When I returned, everything was like this. Door wide open, wine jars shattered, and several shelves broken.
Is anything missing?
Nothing! I counted everything! It couldn't be ghosts from the Ghost Temple, could it?
There are no such things as ghosts. Go find Dingso for more jars. I'll investigate here.
Oh, splendid! Oh, and these drunken beans are for Ruby. Give them to her for me? I can't right now.
What a strong smell of wine. She always likes such strange... I'll try my wind sense. These tracks. Looks like something went inside Porcelain Kiln. That big guy who asked for directions.
Help me.
I hear something inside. Better check it out. You? Are you the horse thief? Hey, you...
Go. Quick, take me.
Hang in there. There's a clinic nearby.